Thank you very much for tuning in to Military Guna TV. I want to say a special thank you to all those who took the time out to subscribe and hit the like button as well. Now, Jonson Clarke-Harris has now been awarded as League One Player of the Season. As you guys can see, standing here with the award, well solely deserved. I do think that he really deserved this one, scoring 29 goals, 3 assists in 44 appearances. That is 32 goal contribution in 44 appearances, and that is what takes the Peterborough team onto the championship playoff to go into the championship, and this is big news for the team. Now they are sitting in on second in the table, in good position, but it's not confirmed as yet if they are the perfect team to go through, because everything is happening. There's a few more games to play and a few more decisions to be made, but definitely it's moving into the championship. It seems as if it's going into the championship this season in particular. And another news circling is that Jonson Clarke-Harris has now fully committed to playing for Jamaica, and there's still a lot of news to clear up on that, but definitely the news is now circling around that he wants to play for the Reggae Boyz. Now, other than that, we all are hearing the news that Jonson Clarke-Harris is now heavily linked with a move to Rangers Football Club. As you guys can see, there is a lot of things he's doing right now. Really putting in the work, and he's getting the reward for all the hard work that he's putting in. I think the reports came out from the Daily Record Sports. The report came from the Daily Record Sports. You guys can go and check it out. He's heavily linked with a move to Rangers Football Club. So possible next season he'll be playing in the Champions League, because Rangers have already won the league. So we're seeing a great thing, definitely great things from Jonson Clarke-Harris, and I do think that this guy has a lot to offer. We haven't seen the confirmation from Ivan Toney that he wants to play for the Reggae Boyz, but rumors are coming out and circling out that Jonson Clarke-Harris wants to play for the Reggae Boyz. Now it's a tale to one end, because we have seen where even Ivan Toney doing a immaculate job in the championship, and right behind him is predecessor Jonson Clarke-Harris from Peterborough. Definitely both players coming from same team moving into the championship. But guess what? Jonson Clarke-Harris is moving into Rangers Football Club, where I think that he has a lot to offer. This time around, I do see him as one of those prolific strikers. If we should get Jonson Clarke-Harris, I do think that the Reggae Boyz can definitely make an extra push, and if he should sort out that paperwork prior to and making that move to the Reggae Boyz, I think we can have him for the Gold Cup, which is a significant step into what we want to do. Put it in the comment and tell me what your thoughts are about Jonson Clarke-Harris. Do you think that he can get the work done? And I can say scoring 29 goals from 44 appearances, also with 3 assists, definitely tells that you are a person who can score goals, who can get the job done. And I really like to see significantly what else he has to offer. If he should come to Jamaica, let's see him perform on the bigger stage. Why wait? Why wait for England when there's so much persons in front of you? Yes, you can go and fight for a position, but definitely guaranteed game time is here in Jamaica. Well, not guaranteed, because you have a lot of challenge, but guess what? We know that we would want to see what you have to offer, and I think you would definitely bring something spectacular to what the Reggae Boyz have. Now, please, Jonson Clarke-Harris, well done. Congratulations for the hard work that you have put in this season in particular. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Everyone, please put it in the comments. What do you think about the player? Do you think that he can add a big difference to the Reggae Boyz team that we have right now? Because we already have Ivan Toney. Do you think that he can add something special with him moving out to Rangers, likely to play Champions League next season? What does that mean for the Reggae Boyz team? We'll be having a few players now playing Champions League next season. We already know Liam Bailey, Bayer Leverkusen, is in strong position to finish in a Champions League position in the Bundesliga, which means that if Liam Bailey decides to stay at Bayern Leverkusen, he will be in a championship. And now this guy, Jonson Clarke-Harris, making his way to Rangers Football Club, means that Rangers will be playing in Champions League, and we can see we're likely to see Jonson Clarke-Harris, also the other Jamaican, Kemar Roof, striking as a striking force in Europe. Something that we would love to see happen. But thank you very much, people. As I said, put it in the comments. This has been Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I am out.